Hi, this is Chris Gould with Geeks on Tour, and this video is for people who drive RVs and need a GPS system that will not let them go under a low overpass like this one in the photo. There are lots of devices and apps out there to do that. I'm just going to show you a couple of examples for you to understand what the issue is. First, I want to show you exactly what the problem is. Well, I'm just going to go to Google Maps and I'm going to search for Genesee Lakes, and I think I already did it earlier. So Genesee Lakes RV Campground, it's a Thousand Trails Park in Ohio. And if I ask Google to take me there, I'm going to zoom in and show you just the last couple turns. So notice that it goes straight down, straight over, and then up. And right on this road, this photo was taken. So you know this says 9-1, or it might be 10 or 11 in the middle here, but you do not want to take a 13-foot RV underneath that bridge. Google Maps does not know what an RV is. It does not have options for you to say height restrictions in your travels. The couple apps that I want to show you do. The first one I'm going to show you is new, and it's actually even still in beta. So if I open the Togo RV app and go to Explore, Campgrounds, Thousand Trails, and here I am in Ohio, and there is the Genesee Lakes campground. Scroll down and navigate, and I've already put in the height, so 12-foot height of the RV that I'm saying we're driving. And you go next. It shows us the route. I'm going to zoom into the end and notice that it is avoiding Mill Creek Road. The other example I want to show you is RV Trip Wizard. And this was one I've already built in here, but you'll see that RV Trip Wizard has me going to Thousand Trails, Genesee Lakes, and it is routing me on Mill Creek Road. But if I tell it to show hazards, it now puts a little sign up there saying there is a low bridge right there. I kind of like that. The ones that route me differently, and I don't know why, I sometimes choose not to follow. So this one is telling me there's a low bridge right there. My point here is that if you are driving an RV, you need to have a GPS system that knows how high you are and will route you accordingly.